Meaning of flimflam.
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 Flimflam. Flimflam refers to deceit or deception used to trick someone out of their money. It often involves using false claims or promises to lure people into giving away their cash or valuables. The result is that the victim is left feeling cheated and robbed. Flimflam can take many forms, such as fraudulent investment schemes, door-to-door sales scams, or online phishing scams. It is important to be aware of the signs of flimflam and to protect oneself from falling prey to these types of fraudulent activities.